There are a lot of fabric shops here in the US that source their fabric from overseas because it's really hard to find natural printed fibers here in the US. Our customers sew a lot for their children, and we wanted to be able to offer a breathable fabric. And with the Presto, we're able to print on natural fibers. We can offer multiple fabric bases with a quick turnaround time, and we know that what we're offering them is safe.
We really like the fact that the Presto is, the inks are water-based. The Presto is very eco-friendly. The top priority for us was quality of fabric, or quality of print that you could put on a fabric. You kind of just send it in the Presto, some magic happens, and then it comes out the back, and voila, you have a very impressive piece of fabric that you can send out to people. It gives us not just confidence in our business, but also kind of a confident future of hiring on more people and bringing on more customers and kind of bringing business back to America.
We love being able to support other small businesses and artists. And so we have a website where we feature their designs that they hand paint, they draw, they create on an iPad different ways. And then that's where we print it onto the fabric so that our customers can sew it into beautiful pieces.
We have really good customers, and they are always giving us feedback how much they love the product, the colors, the softness.
People who are blue collar, who are small or big, I think they've gotten used to a product that maybe certain countries will push out, which is good. But I think that here in the States, where we can shorten the supply chain, they'll find out that we can actually do it just as good or better.
There's enough need for what the Presto can offer that we feel confident in investing in the Presto.